This is the failure we want to see. A candidate bound to a stale schema reaches evidence-bound and is blocked before runtime. Runtime remains null. Promotion remains false. Human review remains mandatory. Data agents can read metadata and still act on stale schemas, incomplete lineage, or unsupported claims. A successful tool call does not prove the action is safe. EvidenceBound DataHub Gate adds a fail-closed governance boundary. Read context. Restricted AST Gate. Tamper evident proof pack. Native DataHub writeback. Mandatory human review. Through the official DataHub MCP server, EvidenceBound reads dataset identity, schema fields, and a bounded one-hop lineage edge. The candidate is bound to the observed dataset, schema digest, and lineage digest. A restricted AST policy rejects unsupported capabilities. Permitted operations run inside a bounded interpreter without exec. Material claims must reference observed evidence. With the current context, the candidate produces verified. That verdict covers only this candidate, recorded context, restricted policy, and bounded execution. It is not production approval, certification, or permission to deploy. Now change only the expected schema digest. The source does not run. EvidenceBound returns blocked with schema mismatch, no runtime result, false promotion authorization, and a new evidence route. A stale contract does not silently pass. The latest recording is deliberately read only. Its summary reports: MCP read, pass. Current context path, verified. Stale schema path, blocked. Write back, not run. A separate retained record demonstrates native DataHub description writeback. Read evidence is never presented as write evidence. Inside the dataset description, retained receipts make results graph visible. Each records the verdict, proof pack route, observed digests, blocking reason, mandatory human review, and false promotion authorization. The receipt is metadata evidence, not a badge, transaction authorization, or approval. Every outcome becomes a tamper-evident, content-addressed proof pack containing the candidate, DataHub context, gate receipt, MCP evidence, deterministic manifest, and SHA-256 checksums. Reproduction rejects missing, unexpected, non-canonical, or modified artifacts. The mutation test changes 1 byte and requires artifact tampering detected. This is hash-based tamper detection, not a digital signature claim. The implementation is public, Apache 2 licensed, and reproducible through deterministic validation and GitHub actions. Read the context, verify. Preserve the evidence, return the receipt.